Hey guys, Tacoma guy here. I'm going to do a couple of quick videos, and the first video we're going to do is a little cold startup without the tailpipe. I have the Magnaflow Muffler, the round 18 by 6 inch round muffler, but at the dunes my tailpipe fell off. It broke off. It's 5 years old, so it just rusted. I didn't get stainless steel. They didn't have stainless steel at the shop. I just put on whatever because I figured I'd be changing it anyways. It lasted longer than I thought, and it was only a couple $100, so it was a pretty good deal. But here's how loud it is without the tailpipe. Okay, let's do a test for the volume. Let's see how loud this sucker is on my cold startup. Alright, let's see how loud it is inside. I'm going to go in the back because I tried to do a video before from the front and it wasn't quite the same. Yeah, we are in the cab. It's not that bad. I think actually warming up, yeah, we're only at 1200 RPM. This isn't too bad. This is quieter than driving on the highway. For some reason in the back seat doesn't sound any louder than it's. Man, these rear seats are like brand new. My driver's seat's starting to wear out. Something happened to it again, a sprint or something, starting to go. I sit in these back seats, they're like brand new. I only carry people here and there. Man, it's actually comfortable back here. Haven't been back in the back seat. Let's try in the front. Not that loud. It's not too bad. Alright, now we're in the front. Yeah, I don't know, it seems really quiet today. Don't know why it seems so quiet. It seems quieter today. The drone seems way worse when I went to get those parts. Alright, so there we go. That's the exhaust without a tailpipe. Again, I've got that Magnaflow round 18 by 6, I believe is what I have. 18 by 6 inch round muffler. My tailpipe broke off. Stock exhaust in the front, stock manifolds, cats, everything. But the CapEx 2.5 with that muffler, but no tailpipe. Broken off right at the muffler. Let's see if I can see that. Yep, you can see it. So that's what we got. But I like those round straight through mufflers for performance, and I like the sound. Gives the V6 a deeper tone, not quite so ricer sounding. That's my exhaust. I'm going to be building a new exhaust. I'm probably getting headers and a new Y pipe. So I'll have to rebuild. I'll probably use a similar muffler to this, but I'm going to need a resonator. It's going to be today. First video is not sounding that bad. And that's it. Thanks.